Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If f of x equals to 2 to the x power and f of x negative 1 equals to f of x negative 8, what is the value of x? Okay, now let me take this equation, that is f of x negative 1 equals to f of x negative 8. Okay, here to get the stuff for f of x negative 1, what I have to do is I have to plug in this x negative 1 for x over here. When I do so, on the right side also I have to plug in x negative 1 for x. So then I am getting 2 to the power of x negative 1. So this is the stuff I am getting for f of x negative 1. And for this f of x, we can take this one as it is. That is 2 to the x to the power negative 8. Okay, here when I consider this one, two values are in subtraction at the exponent. Whenever two values are added or subtracted at the exponent, what we can do is we can take this base 2 separately for each value and multiply the results. That is 2 to the x to the power times 2 to the negative first power equals to 2 to the x to the power negative 8. Okay, here the exponent of this 2 is negative 1. Since this exponent is negative 1, to make this exponent as positive, we can move this one to denominator. When I move it to denominator, it will be 2 to the power of positive 1. Whenever the exponent is positive 1, we don't have to mention, we can ignore it. Equals to 2 to the power of x negative 8. Okay, here we find 2 to the x to the power and here we find 2 to the x to the power. To make the solving process easier, let me assign a new variable y for this 2 to the x to the power. That is, let y equals to 2 to the x to the power. Now we can plug in this y for 2 to the x to the power over here and here. Then I'm getting y over 2 equals to y negative 8. Okay, here to get up the denominator 2 over here, we can multiply both sides of this equation by 2. Then I'm getting 2 times y over 2 equals to 2 times y negative 8. Then this 2 will cancel out. We get y equals to, we can distribute this 2 to this y and negative 8. Then I'm getting 2y negative 16. Let me subtract 2y from both sides of this equation. This positive 2y, negative 2y will cancel out. When I combine positive 1y and negative 2y, I am getting negative y equals to negative 16. Now we can multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. When I multiply this negative y by negative 1, I am getting a positive y. When I multiply this negative 16 by negative 1, I am getting a positive 16. Okay, here I got the value of y, that is 16. Actually, y is a variable taken by us. It has to be replaced by the original stuff 2 to the x to the power. Okay, now we can plug in this 2 to the x to the power for y over here. That is 2 to the x to the power equals to 16. Our aim is to get the value of x. Now to solve for the variable x at the exponent, what we need to do is we need to get the same base on both sides of this equation. Here on the left side we have the base 2. On the right side also we should be trying to get the same base 2. Actually 16 is a power of 2 and this 16 can be written as 2 to the 4th power. Okay, here two powers are equal with the same base 2. Whenever two powers are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the exponents. When I equate the exponents, I am getting x equals to 4. Okay, here I got the value of x, its value is 4 and we find this 4 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.